Agni says, we are developers, not designers. Where do we start when trying to build a website to get a job? Do we buy designs and code that?
Yes. Definitely, we push templates hard here. We get a lot of pushback on the fact that we use templates here. People think that you should build your HTML from scratch and not use frameworks or anything like that. And that's just simply not the most productive use of your time. And you're right, Agni, you are a developer and not necessarily a designer, but if you can get a template and you can conform that to the use to match your website, you can look like a design rock star. When you get on the job and you're doing backend code, they'll probably ask you to do the front end side, and the company's not going to care if you use the template. In fact, they may prefer that you do, so you don't spend 4 weeks trying to get a footer on the bottom.
Right, which we will talk about.
We're going to talk about that.
Fun of it, but we will talk about it.
Yeah, but like, so I think
it's true. Like it is a different skill set. We've seen some great developers come through the school who have just been bad designers.
Right.
And I think you said a lot that people are visual buyers. So if it looks good, they'll assume your code looks good. If it looks bad, your code could be rock star quality on the back end, but whether they will assume that it is bad.
Yeah, exactly. So like, you need to make it look good. And I think a template that's been through the paces, you can bring a template in, you can change the primary color of it or the off color to match your logo, and you can make it your own. And I will say this, it's not that we don't teach Bootstrap at Coder Foundry. It's just that we use Bootstrap, and you're going to do a lot of HTML and CSS work here. It's just that we're not saying that you should start from absolute scratch when we're trying to build a project. So build a template. All right.
And here you go. Anthony said too, he's learning Bootstrap. Good framework to give the site app a good look with knowing minimal CSS. And that's so true.
100% right, man. 100% right. Just do that. And then, there's nothing wrong with Bootstrap. And you can get very creative with Bootstrap. It's just a framework. It's not necessarily, if you talk to some of these people on Twitter or whatever, don't let them look down on you. Twitter made it. Twitter uses it. It's good for them. So,
Yeah.